Thank you for watching this video. For more information, knowledge and facts on Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press bell icon to get instant update.
Aphorism 17. Now, as in the cure effected by the removal of the whole of the perceptible signs and symptoms of the disease, the internal alteration of the vital principle to which the disease is due, consequently the whole of the disease, is at the same time removed. It follows that the physician has only to remove the whole of the symptoms in order, at the same time, to abrogate and annihilate the internal change. That is to say, the morbid derangement of the vital force, consequently the totality of the disease. The disease itself. When the disease is annihilated, the health is restored. And this is the highest, the sole aim of the physician, who knows the true object of his mission, which consists not in learned-sounding prating, but in giving aid to the sick.
Here, I added 2 footnotes with Aphorism 17. First footnote is about removal of perceptible signs and symptoms of the disease. Most severe disease may be produced by sufficient disturbance of the vital force through the imagination, and also cured by the same means. A warning dream, superstitious fancy, or a solemn prediction that death would occur at a certain day or at a certain hour, has not infrequently produced all the signs of commencing and increasing disease, of approaching death and death itself at the hour announced, which could not happen without the simultaneous production of the inward change, corresponding to the state observed internally, and hence in such cases all the morbid signs, indicative of approaching death, have frequently been dissipated by an identical cause, by some cunning deception or persuasion to a belief in the contrary, and health suddenly restored, which could not have happened without the removal, by means of this mortal remedy, of the internal and external morbid change that threatened death. Second footnote is about the internal change, the morbid derangement of the vital force. It is only thus that God, the preserver of mankind, could reveal his wisdom and goodness in reference to the cure of the diseases to which man is liable here below, by showing to the physician what he had to remove in diseases, in order to annihilate them and thus re-establish health. But what would we think of his wisdom and goodness, if he has shrouded in mysterious obscurity that which was to be cured in diseases, as is asserted by the dominant school of medicine, which affects to possess a supernatural insight into the inner nature of things, and shut it up in the hidden interior, and thus rendered it impossible for man to know the malady accurately, consequently impossible for him to cure it?
Thank you for watching this video at Organon of Medicine. I am sure you must have subscribed this channel. You can watch more related videos here now, especially created for you.